Alright guys, next day here. Clutch plates have been soaking in oil all night. About to put them in. They show you exactly how they go in. Just make sure you don't put them in the wrong groove. Make sure you put them in the right one or it would never fit. As well as I like the Rekluse stuff because they always give you a perfect breakdown of exactly what to do, the exact order, and also all your torque specs so that you don't have to go searching for it. I like that their manuals include everything. So yeah, I'm gonna put in my clutch plates and then show you when they're in. All right guys, I got the clutch packed in. As you can see in the back of the manual, they actually tell you that there's 2 different sizes of plates. So you just need to double check and take measurements. You can see it's 0.4 of an inch and then 0.8 of an inch and 0.4 of an inch. It's super easy. You know, you just take a micrometer and measure them. When you do it, it goes 3 short, 3 thicker, and then 3 thinner. I didn't mean short, I meant thin. And then now I'm about to start putting on the pressure plate and everything. All right, got it all in, torque down. These go to 6 Newton meters, which is 55 inch-pounds. And now I'm just gonna put my cover back on, torque my bolts back down. I believe these are 7.4 Newton meters, so we're gonna get this back on and then see how it feels.